Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use your Instagram bio in order to drive traffic to your website and also to generate sales. And it's a lot easier than you think. So the first thing that you need to look out for is the information that you're giving to the audience. You want to wrap the information about your brand or your business in a brief and concise manner, because there's a word limit that's going to be visible to your targeted audience. So you can include a lot of information here about your brand, but it won't do any good if the audiences can't see it. So you need to wrap that information up in a small collection of words. So as you can see here in our profile, we have concluded the summary of our brand's message, of our brand's identity in merely 2 lines. It says, we are a full-scale digital marketing firm that specializes in SEO, SEM, SMM, web development, ORM. And below that, we have included a link to our website. Now, you can include a call to action button in your bio as well to generate traffic to anything that you want to, basically. And it depends on your business goals. What are your objectives and where do you want the most attention of your targeted audience to be? So it can be evolving, it can constantly evolve depending upon the products and services that you're offering and any new changes that they're going through. So for now, let's just say that we want to drive traffic to our website. So we're going to include the link to our website as a call to action. Now that is our preference. And another thing that you need to observe or look out for is the bios or profiles of your influencers or any competitors in your relevant niche, because it's fair that you follow them and you observe their content and their strategy as well. It's not gonna do you any harm. It's gonna help you analyze what's their strategy and how you can adopt that strategy and mold it according to your own business or brand in order to achieve the best results. So let's just say that we want to observe the profile of SEMrush. We'll go there and we want to see how they have handled their bio. So in their bio, you can see that there are mainly 2 lines. They're telling about their services, and also they've included some positive adjectives like leading marketing software used by over 5 million professionals to supercharge their SEO, PPC content, and social media activities. It is a direct proof of their brand's authenticity. And below that, they have included the link to their website, and this is their call to action. Now, another thing that you can do is you can use any promos or any sales or any limited offers that you have, and you can insert their links here as well. So you can directly just drive traffic to your website or the relevant pages from your Instagram bio. Because see, this kind of bio is something that's relevant and something that's going to help people. You want to show people from your bio the benefits of availing your services, and also to establish your brand's authority. And as you can see, SEMrush has a bio which is telling people that they're the leading marketing software, and also how they've actually helped people renovate their SEO, PPC, content, and social media activities. So this is a very useful bio. This is something that you can use in order to create your own bio. You can insert your brand's location or any other numbers that you want to. You can insert your company's number, you can insert your location or any other things, but you can also insert the promos, sales, or limited time offers that you have here on your website. So you can insert their link here and direct audiences to your website from your Instagram bio. And you can also insert any updated blogs or any updated post that you want your targeted audience to see. So the bio and the call to action button in your bio can constantly change depending upon your achievements, depending upon the content that you're publishing. So for now, for starters, you can include the link to your website or any of the social media platform that you think is doing well. So go ahead and use this strategy in order to optimize your own brand's bio.